My Antiox Drops. So I'm going to talk to you about these new Antiox Drops. This is my new my new sea serum, even though it's different. It's not like the sea serum that I had. Had a lot of issues with the sea serum. It was made by a different lab than my regular skincare. I've told some of my clients the issues that I had. I'm not going to go into great detail. The oils and everything I make here. I do each one. I make them when they are needed. So I only make like maybe 3 or 4 bottles a time when I do this. They are not made in a lab. They're made here. So I have my anise, my bamboo, my mango. All of those products are made in a lab that is in Canada, actually. They follow European standards. They used to be in New Mexico, in Taos, New Mexico, and then they moved 15 years ago. They moved to Canada. So I've been using them for a long time. And when they moved to Canada, all my products got created underneath the European standards. So they actually got better than when they were made in New Mexico. So the ingredients got better. The amount of products that were organic was better. Even the water they put in the products was better. So now I have my Antiox Drops made in that same lab. I have my glasses on because I have a lot to read. I can't just memorize it all. I have it in my head, but when I go to say it, I'm always like, wait, I forgot whatever I was gonna say. So I have notes. That's why I have my glasses on, so deal with it. Sorry, I know there's a glare. Yes, I have a ring light because otherwise it'd be, recording in the dark. I don't know how to film. I don't know how to do things right. I'm not a professional videographer. I do what I can. So let's go through the ingredients. Not all the ingredients. I'm not going to go through all the ingredients in the Antiox Drops, but I'm going to go through the ingredients that impressed me so much. They are nothing that I've had in my line at all, ever. So these are really great ingredients. I don't see them a lot in the industry. I think you probably will see them a little bit more now, but let me go through a couple of them. So I love saying this one, the Kakadu Plum. So Kakadu Plum is inside the Antiox Drops. It's a fruit. It's a fruit from Australia, and it has the most vitamin C that is inside a fruit. So it has more vitamin C than an orange. So there's some people that say it has 50% more vitamin C than an orange. Other people say it has 70% more. So either way, it's pretty good. It has a lot more vitamin C than an orange does. So the amount of vitamin C in the Kakadu Plum, plus the Kakadu Plum has a lot of other antioxidants. So the name of my new drops is Antiox Drops, which is a serum. So this has a lot of antioxidants in it. And a lot of you have no clue what that means. You have no clue. You think it's good because you hear it a lot, but you have no idea. So antioxidants are going to help protect your skin from the environmental damages that are out there. Maybe it's pollution. Well, it's all of these things, it's not maybe. It's pollution. It's caused by maybe bad air quality. It's caused by ultraviolet rays. Antioxidants can also help reverse some of the damage that's been done. You can't just rely on hyaluronic acid. That's going to give you more moisture to your skin, but getting the antioxidants is going to help reverse some damage, and it's going to help prevent future damage. So the antioxidants is very important as far as a serum that you're going to use. Vitamin C, some of you don't even know why you want vitamin C in your serum. That's going to help give you brighter and just healthier skin. So it's going to help protect it, but it's going to help refresh your skin, give you a brighter looking skin. So that's what vitamin C will do. And the vitamin C that's inside my Antiox Drops, there's a lot of different forms of vitamin C. Like I said before, I'm not going to go through everything, but there is this sodium ascorbic acid, ascorbyl acid, ascorbate. That's why I need it written down. I don't have that page up. So the sodium ascorbic acid and the Kakadu Plum have a lot of vitamin C in it, but they're both some will say not as effective. They are effective, but the thing they are not is irritating. They don't irritate your skin because it's not trying to do that much. It's not one of the vitamin C's that are found in a lot of products that people get irritation from. This is different. This gives you a nice form of vitamin C that's gentler. So I'm very happy with that. I think if you can't use the product, then it's not going to do anything. So if it's irritating your skin, you're not going to be able to use it that much. This you can use day and night, and you're not going to get irritation from it. So it's very gentle. It's a gentle vitamin C. Another one of the products that's inside ingredients products. One of the ingredients in here is ferulic acid. So ferulic acid is also just something that just blows my mind. What it does, you have no idea. Like, it is an antioxidant. It helps to neutralize free radicals. It helps to prevent the damage to cells caused by ultraviolet light and the radiation, the pollution, everything. So it's helping to neutralize. So it's helping to neutralize so they don't get to cause the irritation, the damage to your skin. So that's pretty cool. It also, this blows my mind. It helps, I'm gonna read this because I always screw up how I'm reading it. I know it in my head, I just can't get it out. So ferulic acid prevents the appearance of new blood vessels under the skin. So your skin will have fewer visible veins and less redness. So people that I tell you have cuperose skin, your skin gets flushed very easily, this actually helps with that. So this is like futuristic. So ferulic acid protects the skin from the discoloration that comes from sun exposure or a genetic tendency for dark spots. So whether it's genetic or from the sun, it's protecting the skin from the discoloration. So that is really kind of futuristic. I don't know. Another thing that it does, I'm sorry, this is just crazy, it reduces the production of melanin. So that's how it's helping it. It's reducing the production of melanin. It can help brighten and lighten the skin and prevent the formation of brown spots. So it's going to help future formation of brown spots. So it's helping to not let the melanin produce. So that is key. That is doing things for the future. Exposure to ultraviolet light increases the antioxidant potency of ferulic acid. Again, I'm blown away by this. I don't understand how it's doing all this, but it does. So ferulic acid inside the Antiox Drops. So just between the Kakadu Plum and the ferulic acid, which I said before, the Kakadu Plum also has two or three other antioxidants in it. So that's like 3 or 4 right there. Now we have the ferulic acid, which is another antioxidant. So this Antiox Drops is jam-packed with antioxidants, all gentle, and they all do amazing things. Like this ferulic acid, it actually works better when it gets exposed to ultraviolet lights. So that is really cool. That's why use this in the morning, definitely. I say use it AM and PM. It's going to help your skin. And when it comes to the benefits that you're going to get, it may take several weeks, right? It's not going to take years. It may take several weeks, so give it a month and you will start seeing some changes in your skin. You need to be consistent and you will see results. So it's not like something where you have to wait for years, and it's not something that's going to do it overnight, because it's not going to cause peeling and redness. It's not going to do that. So you need to wait maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. You're going to start seeing a little changes in your skin. It's going to look healthier. You're going to see some of the discoloration kind of fading away, but it's going to do it gently, very gently, and still keep your skin hydrated, not dry and irritated. Some of the effects that you'll get from the Antiox Drops: you're going to have a more even skin tone, you're going to have a brighter complexion, and over time, this is the future, so you're going to get less environmental damage. So Antiox Drops, available now. It's here. Time to order. I have it in stock. I get this in small batches just because I explained so many times, the shipping that it takes from Canada and here, it costs a lot, but I have to do a 3-day shipping, especially as it gets hotter. So get it now while I have it. Antiox Drops. Use with any of your oils or moisturizer. Just mix it together or use it by itself. Serum is on cleansed skin, and you're just going to put it on before you put your oils or your moisturizers. But in this case, you could mix them together. Mix it together and apply it, put it all over. That you can do, so that's very easy. So get it now and start seeing the amazing results from the Antiox Drops.